As a beginner, we all get confused between encapsulation and abstraction in OOP. But after watching this video, you will have a better understanding of what abstraction actually is and when it is used. So let's start by exploring what is abstraction in OOP. Abstraction is a fundamental concept in OOP that allows us to create simplified models of real-world entities. It helps in managing complexities by hiding the unnecessary details while highlighting the essential features of an object. It can be achieved using abstract classes. Now the next question that rises is, what are abstract classes? So abstract classes are the classes that can be instantiated directly and often serve as blueprint for other classes. They contain abstract methods, so subclasses that inherit from an abstract class must implement these abstract methods. Sounds too technical, right? So let's head to the screen to understand it more clearly by writing some codes. So here we will be creating an app installer class, but to make it an abstract class, we had to take some inputs. So I will write from abc import abc, abstract method. So abc is nothing but abstraction based classes. So let's first create a normal class to see the differences after applying the abstract methods. So I will write class app installer, define a function installer, and I will write pass. So now we will create an app class that will inherit from the app installer class. I will write class WhatsApp. It will inherit from the app installer class. Inside it I will define display and it will print welcome to WhatsApp. Let's create an object. I will write object is equal to WhatsApp. And now obj.display. So it says welcome to WhatsApp. Now let's see how abstraction works. So now our app installer class will inherit from ABC class. Now imagine if you had an application which once you install, you cannot uninstall it back. So to prevent this from happening, every application must have an uninstallation method. And that is done using the abstract methods. So this abstract method is a must-have method for any of the classes that are to be created. So I'll create another function named uninstaller. And we will just add pass. Now if I run it, now I can see that I can still make the objects. I will make this uninstaller method an abstract method. So I will add a decorator by writing @abstract method. And now if I try to create an object, it will throw me an error. It says can't instantiate abstract class WhatsApp without the method uninstaller. So now I will create an installer in WhatsApp, define uninstaller, pass self and print uninstall successful. Now if I create an object, I am able to create the object and I can see all the functions. So it says uninstall successful. So this is how an app can have an uninstallation method. Let's check it again with installer method. I will write @abstract method. And now if I run it, it will throw an error. So we'll go back to the WhatsApp class and create our installer. I will write define installer, pass self, print installing WhatsApp. Now if I run it, it says welcome to WhatsApp. Let's check installer. It says installing WhatsApp. Let's check uninstaller. It says uninstall successful. So this is how we use the abstract methods to make a compulsion method in every child class that is to be created. I hope now you found abstraction easy and we are well versed with various major concepts used in OOP. If you want to master everything about OOP, you have the videos on the screen, so make sure you watch each of them. Till then, keep learning and thanks for watching.